So what is up, guys? So it is like 6, almost 7 o'clock in the morning now. Uh, I barely got any sleep last night. I thought I was gonna get a lot more than I did, but I ended up waking up in the middle of the night, which is weird because usually sleep now, but whatever. Guess I'm just a little excited to get on with the show here. So I have to be at work at 8:30. It's at the Pima Fairgrounds. If you know anything about it, it's Gym and Jam, and basically I'm going on a 3-day binge, and I'm gonna be actually sleeping in the truck. So we're starting with 6 o'clock in the morning. Other than that, I think I have everything. I got my soda. Oh, I forgot my water. Well, I guess we can grab that water and put it in there.
Beautiful and stay forever young. This I know. This I know. She told me no.
So yeah, we're gonna be taking off. So I will see you guys tonight, probably. Or tomorrow, actually. Since I get done at 1 o'clock. So I will see you guys then. Yeah, we're gonna do that. Save some time. I only have 5 hours of record time. So I'll see you guys later. What is up, guys? So, you're probably wondering where the fuck I'm at. It looked like I'm in a truck, but it also looks like a tent. And I'm going to answer yes. I'm in a truck tent. You can probably hear the raving music in the background. Yeah. I'm tired. So, I spent the last 17 and a half hours straight bag checking and standing. So, my feet are killing me. My stomach hurts, even though I had food. I think it's just because I was giving out at the end. And I'm pretty sure I smell like a hippie now. Okay, maybe not yet, but I will by the end of this. So, I finished the first shift. Ended up 17 and a half instead of just 16. So, it was actually, I think it was 16 and a half, so I got another hour. But, yeah. So, yeah, this is the life of a security guard that pulls everything he can. And I'm pretty sure all I'm working next week is McHale, and I am fucking done till payday. Because I don't have anything for the next week anyways. And I don't really care. So, I know you guys probably can't see me very well, but I thought I was going to do more vlogging than I really did, but it's been a fucking hectic day. To the point that it's fucking bullshit. Hectic day. So, I don't know how I'm going to be able to sleep with the thumping. That's supposed to stop at 4. That's in another hour. I need that sleep. So, I'm going to sign off for the first day. I didn't vlog last night because I was just tired. I wanted to eat and go to sleep. It's my last night. Did another 17 and a half last night. So, I got 15 minutes and we're going to be starting. I got to pee. I'm going to run some water through my hair, get the gel out so I can make my hair look pretty. I need to go pee right now. So I realized that I didn't make a good video off of this, but I will have lots of stories. I've been putting up little things on Facebook, my stories and shit. So yeah, I'll tell all those. Those are great. The things they try to sneak in, just one beer. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. And if you were here, good for you. Don't really care. It was mayhem. So I'll see you guys later. Oh, holy fuck, man. 51 hours in 3 days. Roughly 1 hour of sleep for every 4 hours I worked is what it comes out to, not including now. And yes, I know I don't have a sheet on my bed. That's because it's all in the truck, because I was trying to use it to cover windows, because I slept in the truck. That was some eye-opening stuff, man. Funny people, stupid people, drunk people. I guess that kind of goes with stupid people. Not all of them. Some of them are just talking and they slur their words and you're like, yeah, exactly. Bathroom's over there, yeah. Gotta go through it? Yeah, so, yeah. And, I guess I'll tell you guys some stories. Not right now, but soon. But I'm finally home. And I didn't do as much vlogging as I thought I did. Or thought I could have. And that's just because I just didn't have time. I needed sleep. Working 16 to 17 hours. Actually 16, almost 18 hours a day is a pain in the ass. It really is. Yeah. So I'm going to bed. I'm with you guys, and I'm gonna sleep until Wednesday maybe. It's fucking Monday. I'm gonna sleep for a couple days. Bye guys. I will see you guys soon. Maybe. I don't know. But bye.
So this is what happens when you're hungry, you want pizza, and you ride a motorcycle. You get a deep dish, and you stuff it in your windshield. We're gonna hope this doesn't go anywhere.